In 30 seconds, I'm going to show you how you can ship packages to Jamaica absolutely free. No gimmicks, no joking, no going around corner. When we started this company, we decided that we wanted to give you, our customers, the maximum benefit. One way of doing that is we created a platinum program. Now, in this platinum program, we give you 4 free shipping coupons per year for you to ship any items under £5 absolutely free. We've had a lot of customers who have taken up this offer, but we noticed that you have not joined the platinum program. And I think I know why. You might be saying, if I join this program, maybe you won't charge me now, but they're going to charge me in the future. I'm here to tell you, this is not so. As a matter of fact, go ahead and read this right now. You see that? You'll never have to pay to be a part of the Platinum program. I promise you. So, go ahead, click on the free shipping coupon button and join us today to start to receive your free shipping coupons. Listen, you don't have to enter any credit card information. We will never charge you. I can't stress that enough. We will not charge you. So go ahead, click on the button and join us today. And you might be saying, what is the catch? The only catch is we are hoping that by us giving you these free coupons, you'll continue to use our services. Talk truth. You see any other company doing this? So we're hoping that you will stick with us. So go ahead, click on the button now and start to receive your free coupons. Do it now because the next cycle is coming up. Please click on the button, join us to receive your free coupons. Alright, later.